We shouldn't be looking for heroes. We should be looking for good ideas. If you want to achieve something, you build the basis for it. You are responsible for the predictable consequences of your actions. The world is a very puzzling place. If you're not willing to be puzzled, you just become a replica of someone else's mind. It doesn't matter how much you learn in school. It's whether you learn how to go on and do things by yourself. And that can be done at any level. Either you repeat the same conventional doctrines everybody is saying, or else you say something true, and it will sound like it's from Neptune. You cannot control your own population by force, but it can be distracted by consumption. If you are not offending people who ought to be offended, you're doing something wrong. If anybody thinks they should listen to me because I'm a professor at MIT, that's nonsense. You should decide whether something makes sense by its content, not by the letters after the name of the person who says it. To live a life of honesty and integrity is a responsibility of every decent person. The more you can increase fear of drugs and crime, welfare mothers, immigrants and aliens, the more you control all the people. If we choose, we can live in a world of comforting illusion. It takes 1 minute to tell a lie, and an hour to refute it. If you assume that there is no hope, you guarantee that there will be no hope. If you assume that there is an instinct for freedom, that there are opportunities to change things, then there is a possibility that you can contribute to making a better world. Moral cowardice and intellectual corruption are the natural concomitants of unchallenged privilege. It may be beyond the limits of human intelligence to understand how human intelligence works. Education must provide the opportunities for self-fulfillment. It can at best provide a rich and challenging environment for the individual to explore in his own way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.